Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your California sales tax website account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ctdfa.ca.gov and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for the California Department of Tax. Now from the homepage, click on Tax Programs drop-down menu and then click on Sales and Use Tax. Now from this page, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal for your account. Now within the username section, type in the username that you have created while signing up for your account and enter your account password underneath within the password box. Then click on the login button and you will be logged into your California sales tax website account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the California sales tax website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.